Hey guys, this is my girlfriend's new GSG Firefly. It's a 22, used to be made by Sig Sauer, and they ended their contract with GSG, which would make their 22 226. I think it was a P226. Um, but people were saying they have a lot of problems and stuff, and these problems have been solved. Let me rack it back for you guys. So the old ones, the old Sig Sauer mosquitoes and GSG Fireflies used to have a edge on the chamber. You see how it's filed down on that bottom piece there? So now they go ahead and they file it down for you because people would go ahead and polish that feed ramp and connect the chamber, and the feed ramp is one. But now, as you can see, they go ahead and do it for you. So I'm hoping this thing is going to be reliable. Like I said, it's her first little gun. She really likes 22s. But it came out pretty cool. And I just want to update everyone that it looks like the problem has been fixed. That's because that feed ramp looks good. And that chamber has been polished on the bottom, as you can tell. I guess time will tell. Tell you guys how it works after we shoot it tomorrow morning. Pretty cool little 22 though. She's very happy with it.